So you want to win at Flip 7. Lucky for you, I wrote a whole research paper and simulated over 500,000 games to understand how to win every single time. After this, you won't be stomping away each time you lose like this guy. So let's set some goals. Find how a computer wins at Flip 7, find a human way to follow the plan, and dominate every game we play. So, what is Flip 7? I'll assume most of you are familiar with it, but if not, pause and read the rules here. So now that we know what we're doing, how do we tell a computer how to play? Well, we know as the game goes on, our risk of bust gets higher. So how do we know when to stop? Or, how does a computer find when to stop? To keep the video short, let's skip to the end. Here's a stopping threshold versus mean score from my program. We see that when the computer stops and there's a 20% chance to bust, it scores the most points, and if you keep going, you don't score so well. So, we have step 1 down in our goals, all the way done. Now we have to find how humans play and how to translate it for us. Well, the problem is humans are greedy. To model this greediness, we make a special thing called a boundary decision curve using AI and machine learning. To make this, we run an experiment. Give a player a random amount of cards, and they choose to hit or stay. Then you log everything in a giant spreadsheet. After the experiment, you get this, which shows that we tend to hit way more than we stay, or at least I do. The boundary decision curve shows the stopping point at around 45 to 47 depending on a few factors that are out of my pay grade. Anyways, we write a bunch of code to analyze a computer versus a human, and then we get this, the win rate, which looks like the score rate from before, and you can see the comparison. Then the bust rate versus the different thresholds, which goes up as you move on, and finally the expected value by draw number, which is stable and growing at first, and then it gets chaotic as you zoom out. So, we still haven't answered the question, how do we play? Well, thanks to this guy named Dirk, he found that the magic number is to stop right at 21. And I found that since it gets chaotic after round 4, we should stop here. So, you have a few options. Follow magic 21, stop at draw 4, or count cards really well. One last thing then, to dominate every single game I play. Well, I'll actually leave you to do all that. If you want to learn the coding or how to make a paper, follow the other videos in my playlist. Thank you for watching.